Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to share Android application via WhatsApp or Telegram. So if you want to share your Android application via your WhatsApp or Telegram, here's how you can do this quick and easy. First thing you want to do is open your App Store, and then in the search section here, you want to search for files. You want to find files by Google. Go ahead and install this application, and once done installing, tap on open. Grant all necessary permission, and then what you want to do is come to this section where it says apps. Tap on this and you see all the apps that are installed on your device. You find several categories in this section, such as installed apps and system apps. If you have other apps on your device that are not installed, you will also find them in these categories. Now what you want to do is find the app you want to share. For example, in this video I'm going to be sharing Remote Desktop by Chrome. Now tap on this three dots here and then tap on share. This will open WhatsApp share menu. Now you can then choose on WhatsApp or Telegram on this page, and this will open to share. Search or select the contact you want to share to and then tap on the share button. Now you see the file that is currently being shared is APK format. You can tap on share in this section and this will start sharing the file. Once the file has been received, the receiver will be able to download and install the application. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, feel free to leave a like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on.